Yeah, what do you say?
I said you're on private property. You
Yes,
do
sir.
not have consent from anyone here to.
My name is Sayyid Hassan. My date of birth October 28, 1954. Today I have appointment with one-step diagnostic. Today, that is March 13, my appointment 11 a.m. I came with my right independent diagnostic here, and they refused to do my MRI due to my clinical note. That is the responsibility of the one-step diagnosis to send to my doctor office, but they did not send it. We called doctor office. The doctor office said they did not receive the clinical note from this one-step diagnostics. I'm on a wheelchair and I have very hard time. So I